Now after 40 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add our seasoning, our bay leaves, some more salt and pepper, and we're going to mix that right in. Now after 40 minutes have passed, and we're going to go ahead and add our long grain rice, 1 cup. Make sure that none of the rice is sticking to the bowl. We're going to stir that in there. Make sure none of the rice has actually accumulated in the bottom of the pot. This will help out with even cooking. You can go ahead and taste the stock right now. That'll let you know if you need to re-season or not. And after about 12 minutes, you should be done. A good step for this is sprinkling it with Parmesan cheese. That brings out some of the flavor. And there you have rice and potato soup. Enjoy.